She is smart.
She is smart.
He is brilliant.
He is brilliant.
He is rich.
He is rich.
He is wealthy.
He is wealthy.
He is poor.
He is poor.
He is broke.
He is broke.
Relax.
Relax.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
I am late.
I am late.
I am running behind.
I am running behind.
She is very beautiful.
She is very beautiful.
She is stunning.
She is stunning.
I am very sad.
I am very sad.
I am heartbroken.
I am heartbroken.
The task is very easy.
The task is very easy.
The task is effortless.
The task is effortless.
I am very bored.
I am very bored.
I am tedious.
I am tedious.
This book is very interesting.
This book is very interesting.
This book is fascinating.
This book is fascinating.
The teacher is very annoyed.
The teacher is very annoyed.
The man is irritated.
The man is irritated.
She is very proud.
She is very proud.
He is overconfident.
He is overconfident.
His bag is very heavy.
His bag is very heavy.
The box is cumbersome.
The box is cumbersome.
The house is very clean.
The house is very clean.
The house is spotless.
The house is spotless.
This suit is very big.
This suit is very big.
This gift is enormous.
This gift is enormous.
The food is very tasty.
The food is very tasty.
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
The movie was very good.
The movie was very good.
The movie was excellent.
The movie was excellent.
He is very tired.
He is very tired.
She is exhausted.
She is exhausted.
I am very excited.
I am very excited.
I am thrilled.
I am thrilled.
I am very surprised.
I am very surprised.
I am astonished.
I am astonished.
I am scared.
I am scared.
I am terrified.
I am terrified.
She is very busy.
She is very busy.
She is swamped.
She is swamped.
I was very confused.
I was very confused.
I was bewildered.
I was bewildered.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
It's my mistake.
It's my mistake.
It's my bad.
It's my bad.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I have no clue.
I have no clue.
It's expensive.
It's expensive.
It costs a fortune.
It costs a fortune.
The view is beautiful.
The view is beautiful.
This is breathtaking.
This is breathtaking.